Hello everyone. In today's video, I'd like to compare the results from the Liquid API test kit, the Paper Strip API test kit, and the Imagitarium test kit. I want to see which of these would yield the most accurate results, and I will compare them in this video and see which of these would be best to use for the fish tanks. Now I'm testing this in my 40-gallon fish tank with my fairy corydoras. So I'm going to start with the nitrate. So I got some water from the fish tank. We're going to start with the nitrate test. Now this next step, you do have to shake up the second bottle pretty well before you add the drops. It states in the directions that it's important to do this step to get accurate result. So I'm going to shake this bottle for about 30 seconds. Alright, so I shook up test bottle number 2. Now I have to shake this one for about a minute. This next one will test the nitrite. The last thing we're going to be testing is the pH, because the test strips do read the pH. So before we look at our results from the water testing kits, I'm going to start with the paper strips. I'm going to be using the API paper strips first. Next we'll use the Imagitarium test strips. So if we look at our results with the API test strip, we have that it's reading the nitrite and nitrate at 0. We have the pH, which is kind of hard to read because it is not changing color all the way. It looks like it's probably about 7.0 if that color were to fill in the whole square. So probably around neutral. And because none of my API liquid kits read the general hardness or the carbonate hardness, I'm not going to be really looking at those results for this video. So if we look at the results from the Imagitarium test strip, which I find hard to read because they have it on the back of the bottle and not as a piece of paper. If I do this, you can kind of see that the nitrate is reading somewhere near 20. It's not really colored in all the way, so again, it's a little bit hard to tell what it actually is. The nitrite is reading 0. If I go down to the pH, which is the one on the very end, it seems like it is reading at a 5.5, which is much different than the result that we got from the other one. So if we look at the liquid tests, we can see that the nitrite is at 0. We can see that the nitrate is very low. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up at all, but there is a little bit of orange in it. So it's not perfectly at 0. And if we look at the pH, which I actually lost the card for, so I did print out another one. The pH is around neutral. So looking at our test results, I would say that the API liquid kits are much more reliable than the paper tests, which can sometimes be hard to read or the color may not fill in all the way. and it could give you inaccurate results. I hope you like this video. If you're new here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.